nice bit of char from the grill. Push, turn, till you hear the click. A bit of fresh lime, and bring this all together. Ready to cook as soon as you're on the campsite. Hello, I'm Fell Foodie and I'm here in the Peak District with Campingaz, cooking up some Chinese style skewers with honey and soy on the Campingaz Tour Grill. For this recipe you will need 2 chicken breasts, a red pepper, some red onion, a fresh lime, garlic, some ginger, red chilli, spring onion, a Chinese style marinade and some sesame seeds. So we've got all the veg chopped up now, so let's get the grill all hooked up with the cartridge. An easy click cartridge, push, turn, till you hear the click. Ready to go. So you could make this marinade at home first, again with the garlic and the ginger, or you could just buy one pre-made from the shop first. But in here we've got some sesame oil, some hoisin, some soy sauce, again we'll put some honey in later as well, and a little bit of rice wine vinegar. Let's put the ginger and garlic into there, a bit of fresh lime, and bring this all together. Now we're ready for the chicken. So let's get this all cubed up in the marinade to bring out ready to thread those skewers. Now I've got all the skewers threaded, just important to wash down the area of that raw meat and give our hands a wash as well and get them on the heat. Okay, we're giving these a few minutes on one side, so we'll get these turned over. Nice bit of char from the grill, lovely and non-stick as well. Another thing I really love about this grill is the compartments you've got with it as well. I can leave all the little toppings underneath, next to the cartridge there. Also folds down really nice as a tabletop grill as well. These look lovely now and charred, some nice smells coming off the grill. We'll get these off, get this topped up again with a little bit of honey for a bit of sweetness. Rest with some sesame seeds and then finish with that chilli and the spring onions. And there we go then, Chinese style chicken skewers cooked up on the Campingaz Tour Grill out here in the Peak District. Camp cooking made easy with Campingaz.